So I still haven't took the time to figure out how to screen record. So I'm a little bit primitive. Just press play. This game. So I messed up the animation and the sound, so I can't jump here. So I made the enemies have the code to destroy him still. That guy's powerful. But what I'm trying to accomplish here is the multi control system. So when Sparty dies, game's over. When this guy sits around for 3 seconds, game over. I can control Sparty. I can fix the animation and the jump. I just was trying to make room on this piece of junk laptop because it was out of memory, and I ended up deleting stuff that I didn't know was going to affect the entire game. So I was in a different level, and I tried to delete some stuff to make room to see what would happen, and what happened was I deleted a lot of the work I put in. You know, the enemy stun, the sound, the music, it's all gone for now. Whatever, no big deal. So now I created a few more characters. Check this out. Go pretty far. I mean, I can do the same thing for the other direction. I just haven't done it. But if I let go from here, this guy's gonna get bam. Okay, okay. Up to 600 miles an hour. Oh, okay. Let's kill the mosquito. Yeah. So ooh, went right through, man. Okay, so I know how to make more levels and such, but I am trying to combine um, my okay, so I also have a victory in here, so if we get the flower, he makes it to the next level. See the flower down here? Oh, okay, so there's a flower. There's a flower again. See over here, I can jump. See, he's down right there. Try to do this with one hand. Oh, you missed it. I did touch the flower. So I lost all my. I just died 3 times, so I didn't get my flower. I kept dying. So now game over. Main menu. I can select the level. Okay, so we can skip the levels. Level 3, that's the one where we're dying. Okay, see. 1 life, 2 lives, and 3 lives. Game over. New game of the beginning. Right there. So you see I accidentally deleted all the ground and reinstalled it, and now there's like 100 of them in here. Boom, made it. Oh, there goes a level 4. Yeah, so I've been messing with the settings here. Got all my lives here. I don't even know what happened on this level. Level 4 is all GPU. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just changing stuff around, some settings. Go back to that one. I was trying to do a scrolling screen. Infinite runner. Yeah, so it's all gone haywire.